know about cosmetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry covers an exciting array of procedures and options that can help you enhance your natural smile. From teeth whitening and veneers to dental implants and crowns, there are many ways we can make a difference in your life. Cosmetic dentistry can help you improve the appearance of your smile, but it is also about improving your oral health and quality of life. With proper care, your cosmetic dentistry will last as long as you need it to. Cosmetic dentistry allows millions of people to smile beautifully each year by eliminating the various problems spoiling their smile. In this video, we will take a look at some of the essential facts you should know about cosmetic dentistry. What is cosmetic dentistry? Cosmetic dentistry is the term used for all types of dental work that aims to improve the appearance of one's smile, whether it be through fixing the gums, teeth, or bite. Although some procedures also handle functional issues, aesthetic improvement is the main priority. The fundamental principles of cosmetic dentistry are symmetry and balance. Now that we know what it is, here are 5 things you should definitely know if you want to get cosmetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry is more than a smile makeover. Cosmetic dentistry is more than just a smile makeover. As mentioned before, it is dental work or treatment that improves your oral health, quality of life, as well as self-confidence. Through cosmetic dentistry, you can achieve a smile that's healthy, bright, and beautiful. How? The various treatments can improve your oral health by removing stains from teeth that are caused by age, drinking coffee or tea, smoking, or even eating certain foods like blueberries or carrots. The natural pigments in these foods leave behind discoloration on the surface of teeth. Restoring damaged enamel by filling in cavities left by decay, so they no longer show through to the outer layers of tooth tissue below. Treating gum disease so that it doesn't lead to other complications like tooth loss later down the road, which would require more extensive treatments such as dental implants or full mouth reconstruction surgery instead of simple cosmetic procedures like whitening at home with strips. There are different types of cosmetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentists can improve your oral health and quality of life by helping you eat and speak comfortably, reducing or eliminating facial pain or discomfort, fixing crooked teeth that cause headaches or jaw pain, treating gum disease that leads to tooth loss, improving TMJ problems, which affect how well your jaw works, correcting uneven bites that could lead to speech impediments, or even preventing tooth decay from occurring at all. Based on the variety of problems that can be solved, there are a variety of methods that can be used. The following is a list of the different types of cosmetic dentistry available today. Teeth whitening, a safe and efficient method to lighten stained or discolored tooth enamel. Clear braces aligners, these are used to correct any tooth alignment issues. Veneers, a popular choice for patients with stained, chipped, or misshapen teeth. Veneers are thin covers that stick to the natural teeth to give a classic-shaped look and hide any imperfections. Fillings, a tooth-colored resin and glass mixture which is used to restore decayed or broken teeth. Implants, a popular and effective way to replace missing teeth. Surgically placed in the upper or lower jaw, they function as a sturdy anchor for replacement teeth. Crowns. A crown is a good way to cover teeth that are discolored or badly shaped. A crown can make your tooth stronger and improve its appearance. Crowns can also be used to attach bridges, protect a weak tooth from breaking or restore one that's already broken. Inlays onlays, a dental filling that is composed of an alloy of gold, copper, or other metals. Composite bonding, a type of veneer which consists of thin layers of resin that cover the tooth without wearing away its enamel. It can be used to cover fractured or worn teeth and to improve the color of one or more teeth naturally. Your dentist should help you choose a treatment that is right for you. The right cosmetic dentist will help you determine which treatment is right for you and your unique needs and goals. The first step in the process is a consultation, where the dentist will ask you questions about your dental history and goals. They will also examine your mouth to see if it's healthy enough for cosmetic dentistry, as well as evaluate any existing dental problems that may interfere with successful treatment. At this point, they can recommend different options based on what would be best for you, from porcelain veneers to tooth whitening kits, and give an estimate of how much it will cost, which usually includes all materials. If there are no major issues with the health of your teeth or gums, then they may suggest more advanced procedures such as crowns, caps, or implants replacements. These procedures require more time than simple measures like whitening because they involve making changes inside the mouth rather than just on its surface. However, they offer great benefits over less invasive methods, such as bleaching alone, thus providing stronger protection against cavities while improving appearance significantly over time through regular maintenance visits every 6 months. With proper care, your cosmetic dentistry will last as long as you need it to. Your cosmetic dentistry will last as long as you need it to with proper care. Brush and floss regularly. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day is the best way to keep them clean, while flossing once a day will help prevent gum disease by removing food particles from between the teeth. Don't smoke or chew tobacco products, which can stain the enamel surface of your teeth and cause cavities over time. If you have veneers or crowns on your front incisors, the two front teeth, avoid using them as tools for opening bottles or jars. They're not designed for this kind of stress. Cosmetic dentistry helps on an emotional level. Cosmetic dentistry covers so many aspects. One cannot overlook how it makes people feel better. The next time you visit your local dentist or Clermont Dental, if you're looking for a dental home, make sure you get a full examination. Dr. Safavi will be happy to assess your oral health and make recommendations for treatment. She can also help you improve the appearance of your smile by either whitening your teeth or repairing damaged enamel with a veneer or crown. In addition, we know that if you're unhappy with the way your teeth look, it can affect your self-esteem and confidence in social situations. Dr. Safavi has extensive expertise and knowledge in hypnosis and emotional release, which are highly beneficial in helping patients achieve their dental goals. Our goal is to help you improve or regain your self-esteem by giving you a new smile that makes you feel good about yourself again. We hope this video has helped you learn more about cosmetic dentistry and its many benefits. If you're interested in learning more about your own smile makeover, contact us today. We would love to help you achieve a beautiful, healthy smile that will last a lifetime.